To reset the oil light, which I just did, press the start stop button 3 times, which puts it into the diagnostic mode. I just reset it so it says 9,000 miles. So you're going to go down on the bottom left, there's a button here. You're going to hold it down, press it down, hold it. Engine oil is what you want to do. It says reset impossible because I just did it, but you just tap this 2 more times. One, then it's going to ask you to reset, and you're going to press it again and hold it down and saying reset in process, and then reset complete. So you just got it. It's all on the left hand, and it's 3 taps on this left one here once the car's in diagnostic mode.
Okay, diagnostic 3 times on the start stop button, and then the left button.
Yes, exactly. It's going to hold it down until it gives you the option. Once you want the option, which is the first option, reset oil, keep holding it down. Reset possible, keep holding it, press it down again, and then reset in process, and then that's it. Just follow the instructions. It's pretty simple.
Awesome. And we're gonna check the oil level.
In the main menu here on the infotainment center screen.
So you use this to move the options.
Yeah. Click on my vehicle. Scroll down to vehicle status. Click on that. And on the left here, you can check everything from tire pressure, engine oil, and whatever else you might want to check that's available. And just click on engine oil. Measure the engine oil level, start measurement.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If I can do it, you can do it. Save some money, do it yourself. Alright, God bless.